I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're experiencing a transfer pending status on Monese, follow these steps to resolve it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Step 2. Refresh the app. Close the Monese app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the transaction status and may resolve the pending issue. Step 3. Verify transfer details. Double-check the details of the transfer, including the recipient's information and the amount. Incorrect details can lead to delays. Step 4. Check for app updates. Make sure your Monese app is up to date. An outdated app may have bugs affecting transaction processing. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sro.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, sometimes transfers can take longer due to bank processing times, so be patient. I hope this guide helps you get your transfer sorted out quickly.